1. Are you sure?
I've had so many problems with my new car. It's driving me crazy.
Are you sure you don't want to buy a new one?
How can I? I already spent a lot of money on this one.
I guess you'll be spending a lot of money on repairs then.
I guess so, unless you want to buy the car.
No thanks. I don't think I'd want to buy your car. It has too many problems.
I don't blame you. It's a piece of junk.
2. Are you used to?
How long have you been living in Japan?
It's been about 3 years now.
Are you used to eating the food here?
Yes, I like it very much.
What about chopsticks? Are you used to using them?
It took me a while to get used to it, but now it's a piece of cake. 3. As far as...
Have you seen Tom?
No. As far as I can remember, he was supposed to be on a business trip to Lisbon.
Yes, but he was supposed to be back by now.
Have you called his home?
Yeah, but there is no answer.
Maybe you should call the police and file a missing persons report. 4. As far as...
Have you seen the movie, Silence of the Lambs?
Yes, it gave me the creeps.
Come on, it wasn't that bad.
Yes, it was. I'm never going to see another movie like that again.
Well, as far as the plot is concerned, I think it's an interesting movie.
Yes, but some of the scenes were too gory. 5. Be careful with...
She has been calling me for several days now. I think she's interested in me.
Are you sure? I think she already has a boyfriend.
How do you know?
A friend of hers told me. I'd be careful if I were you,
Why?
because I heard her boyfriend is a weightlifter.
Wow. You're right. I guess I better not call her.
6. But this doesn't mean that... Dear, we have been driving around aimlessly for hours. Don't you think we should ask for directions?
Look, honey, maybe we've been driving for a long time, but this doesn't mean that we're lost.
Really? Then what have we been doing all this time?
Well, we're taking the scenic route.
Oh, I see. You don't want to admit that we're lost. You know, sometimes you're too proud.
Okay, we were lost, but this does not mean that you have to rub it in.
7. By the way,
I need to lose weight.
yeah, me too.
By the way, when was the last time you exercised?
I can't remember.
How about we both go running tomorrow?
Yeah, that's a good idea. That way we can lose weight and get in shape at the same time. By the way, do you have any running shoes I can borrow?
Sure. I'll lend you an extra pair.
8. Compared to...
So, how do you like your new job?
Compared to my last one, it's a lot more interesting.
What was your last job?
I was a night security guard.
That sounds interesting.
Not really. Since, compared to my new job, I hardly saw anybody else while I was on duty. 9. Did you used to...
Did you used to have any really bad habits?
I used to bite my toenails when I was younger, but now I don't.
What made you stop?
One day I bit my toenail too deeply and my toe started bleeding. So I learned my lesson and didn't bite my toenails again. 10. Don't ever...
Hey, do you have any advice for traveling alone?
Definitely. Don't ever forget to double-check your reservations and important documents before you leave. It saves a lot of stress down the line.
That's a great tip. Anything else?
Yeah, and don't ever hesitate to ask locals for recommendations. They often know the best spots that aren't in the guidebooks.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks.
11. Do you agree?
I think studying Spanish is boring and a waste of time. Don't you agree?
No. I think it's really important if you want to have a good job in the future.
But it's too hard to learn.
I don't agree. You just have to work at it and be persistent.
Maybe you're right. I guess I need to work harder at it and be more disciplined.
12. Do you carry this in? Excuse me, do you carry this in a smaller size?
Let me check for you. Which item are you interested in?
This jacket here. I like it, but it seems a bit big.
The blue jacket. Sure thing. I'll see if we have it in a smaller size. Just a moment.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
13. Do you have available?
Excuse me, do you have this phone available in other colors?
Yes, we do. We currently have it in black, silver, and blue. Which color are you interested in?
I think I'd like to see the blue one.
Great choice. Let me grab one from the display for you to take a look at.
Thank you.
14. Do you mind?
Hey, do you mind if I borrow your notes from last week's lecture?
Not at all. I'll send you a copy right now.
Thanks. I really appreciate it. I was feeling a bit lost on some of the material.
No problem. Let me know if you have any questions after going through them.
I will. Thanks again.
15. Do you feel like
I'm so bored.
watching a movie?
No, I feel like going to dance.
Where do you want to go?
How about Sam's Disco?
I don't feel like going there. It's always too crowded.
We'll try the disco down the block. It's called Rick's Disco.
Okay, we'll give it a try.